Hey everyone, it's your girl Queen Monroe, and I'm going to show you how I like to refresh my hair using only 3 things, which is my Qredew hair steamer, my That's That Magic oil, and some satin lined accessories somehow to keep my hair protected. So as you can see, for the first 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not going to show you 5 to 10 minutes, but for 5 to 10 minutes, I like to go in with a diffusing motion, allowing the steam to really just warm my hair up, penetrate. The steam is a warm vapor, so steam is essentially water. You're hydrating your hair with the water, but it comes in this warm vapor that helps to lift the scales on your cuticle to help the hydration penetrate better, the water penetrate better. And then you go in with an oil to seal that new moisture into your hair. So I like to use That's That Magic. It's my exclusive oil. I use it for everything, my skincare, my hair care. I make scrubs for my face and my scalp with this oil. So as you can see, I'm continuing to encourage hair growth by doing a quick scalp massage using the oil, letting the oil absorb into my scalp, and just the actual physicality of doing a scalp massage encourages hair growth. So as I was saying with this routine, the steam opens the pores on the scalp as well to moisturize the scalp, keep dandruff at bay through your wash and go, and help cut through buildup, which helps extend your wash and go for as long as you're trying to go. The protein that our hair is made of actually binds to the steam molecules, allowing the hair to reform the curl it lost or form new clumps. It keeps the ends hydrated for length retention, which prevents split ends and breakage. And as I said, when you pair it with some kind of satin accessory, like whether that be a scrunchie, a bonnet, a scarf, whatever it is, you're gonna keep this now moisturized hair protected, because satin keeps the hair moisturized. It doesn't let the environment or any materials suck the moisture out of your hair. So as you can see, my focus is not really definition. It's just being me, being free, letting my hair be healthy in its natural state. And as you can see, that is the satin scrunchie. If you're looking for satin accessories, definitely check out Nptresstreats. For, as you can see right here, I ordered a bunch of stuff: the satin lined bonnet, the scrunchies, the scarf. I got a pair of earrings that were super cute, and I even got a satin lined flippin' shower cap. That was my favorite. If you're looking for something cute like turbans and head wraps that are satin lined, make sure you check out Satin as well. So that's pretty much my routine, guys, what I like to use. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to redcarpetcurls.com.